Yeah, so I got this TS400 cutoff saw, and this is one of the main Germany ones with the Tolston made in Ireland carburetors and metal gas tank and a few other things. And when I got it, it was all in pieces. I mean, they took the whole thing pretty much down to the connecting rod. And I put it all back together. Compression release works. I'll choke it. I don't have anything really to cut up with it, but let me see here. And turn the choke off, and it's on high idle. Just thought I'd make a quick video of it running. I mean, the thing is loud as all hell, but pretty neat machine. German made. I don't think you can get them German made anymore. I think they're all made in like Brazil or like Mexico. I think they make them in Mexico to import them in the United States. Which, that's okay, I guess, but, when you, want quality, I'd say nothing but the best. This here is pretty good. Alrighty.